Wonton soup. A side dish from Hong Kong. Serves 2. You will need 14 ingredients. Step 1. To make the filling, combine the ingredients for the filling and mix well. Step 2. Place about ½ teaspoon of filling in one corner of wonton wrapper. Fold this corner over the wrapper 2/3 toward the opposite corner and bring it to the left-hand corner. Drop wonton into boiling water and cook
Step
4 minutes
3.
or until pork
Remove
is done.
wonton
And blanch in cold water to prevent sticking. Add wonton to hot soup stock of choice and serve. Step 4. To make the garnish, can be added to the hot broth and cooked until done before adding wonton. Sliced barbecue pork, hard-boiled eggs or chopped green onions can be used as garnish. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.